I mean, Dorothy Lang was one of the great photographers in the history of photography, who's, very important, particularly because of the pre-war pictures in the Dust Bowl. And I knew of Dorothy Lang, and I happened to be in Chicago, and I knew that at that time she was living in Chicago. And so I just literally went, I was now known a little bit as a photographer, and I just went to see her, basically. I hadn't thought about getting a print. It was before I swapped prints even, and I saw her, and she had, she was showing me some prints, and I basically said, oh, I love this picture, I'd love it. And she gave me the picture. She did a wonderful book, but it was done with her husband, and it's one of the most complete books, which is the pointing out of a social problem. It's a very beautiful book. It really shows you how a book can be laid out, and how the correct captioning and the correct text and the correct pictures can put together a very powerful argument for something. It's a very important book, I think.